The modern car market is packed with new technology, advanced engines, and fresh redesigns. But underneath the marketing, the futuristic dashboards, and the flashy features, many of today's cars come with serious engineering compromises that owners don't discover until it's far too late. And mechanics, the people who see these cars break every single day, are sounding the alarm. Some of the most popular models on the road right now are hiding reliability issues, fragile components, expensive repairs, and build quality problems that don't show up in brochures or dealership test drives. In a world where vehicles are becoming more complex with every model year, choosing the wrong one can cost you thousands, or worse, leave you stranded with repairs no warranty will cover. So today, we break down the 8 vehicles experts recommend you avoid in 2025, not because they are bad ideas on paper, but because they fail where it matters most: long-term durability, repairability, and ownership cost. 1. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is extremely popular and looks strong on the surface. It offers a modern cabin, attractive design, and reasonable pricing. But underneath that, it carries a flaw that mechanics warn about repeatedly: the CVT transmission. Nissan's CVTs have had a long and well-documented history of early failures. While the company has made improvements in recent years, the Rogue still suffers from delayed throttle response, overheating during highway driving, jerking under acceleration, premature belt and pulley wear. Once these symptoms appear, the only real solution is full transmission replacement, a repair that can cost more than the value of some used Rogues. Beyond the transmission, the Rogue's 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbo engine struggles with reliability. It is efficient in theory, but in daily use it often feels strained, producing excessive vibration and heat that can shorten its lifespan. The Rogue is comfortable, stylish, and packed with technology, but the mechanical weak points are too significant to ignore. There are far better options in the compact SUV segment. 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee Base Models. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has a strong reputation built over decades, but recent models, especially the entry-level versions, are not living up to that legacy. While the exterior design and cabin quality are impressive, the mechanical side tells a different story. The base 4-cylinder turbo engine often feels mismatched for a vehicle this heavy, forcing it to work hard just to maintain daily performance. Over time, this leads to excessive strain and reliability issues related to heat buildup and oil consumption. Mechanics also report persistent electrical issues, sensor failures, random warning light errors, infotainment glitches. Even the suspension components have been noted to wear out earlier than expected on some models. The result is a vehicle that looks premium, but requires frequent attention in the service bay. For a model with such a strong nameplate, the reliability simply isn't where it needs to be. 3. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer remains one of the most recognizable family SUVs in America, but the 2025 version continues to struggle with long-standing issues. The 2.3-liter turbo engine is punchy and modern, yet mechanics report recurring problems with carbon buildup, cooling system failures, and oil leaks. The 10-speed automatic transmission shared across multiple Ford models also tends to shift harshly under load and has had its share of mechanical concerns. Owners frequently report unpredictable gear changes, sudden loss of power, drivetrain vibration, early transmission wear. These issues can turn a comfortable 3-row SUV into a costly long-term liability. Ford has worked to refine the platform over the years, but the Explorer continues to fall behind competitors like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and even the Subaru Ascent when it comes to dependability. 4. Volkswagen Atlas. From the outside, the Volkswagen Atlas appears to be one of the best family SUVs on the market. It offers massive interior space, excellent practicality, and a clean European design. But the ownership experience often tells a different story. Mechanics note that the Atlas suffers from premature water pump failures, timing chain tensioner issues, electrical malfunctions, rapid brake and rotor wear, transmission hesitation. Even routine maintenance tends to be more expensive than its competitors. The Atlas drives well and offers a refined feel, but the mechanical weak points have become too widespread to ignore. For long-term reliability, several Japanese competitors offer a far more stable ownership experience. 5. Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu is still on the road, but the model has not aged gracefully. Mechanics say that many of the Malibu's issues stem from its older platform and the small turbocharged engines that power it. Both the 1.5-liter and 2.0-liter turbo engines are known for oil-related problems, timing failures, and overheating. The CVT paired with the 1.5-liter engine also struggles with longevity, especially under highway stress or heavy acceleration. As a result, the Malibu often ends up with power loss, transmission, shutter, significant internal engine wear. While the Malibu is comfortable and fuel-efficient, the reliability simply no longer matches what competitors like Honda and Toyota deliver. 6. Kia Sorento Base Hybrid Variants. Kia's hybrid lineup has made impressive strides, and some of its models perform extremely well. However, mechanics consistently warn that the base Sorento hybrid variants still struggle with long-term durability and mechanical balance. One of the biggest concerns is the way Kia's hybrid system interacts with its small turbo engine. Under light driving, the Sorento hybrid feels smooth and economical. But when pushed, whether during merging, climbing, or highway acceleration, the powertrain often strains. Mechanics describe excessive engine noise under load premature battery wear in high-temperature climates, coolant leaks from the hybrid system, inconsistent power delivery. These aren't catastrophic failures, but they hint at an underlying issue. The hybrid system is not as robust as what Toyota or Honda offer. Additionally, some Sorento models built in the last few years have surfaced with reports of timing chain wear, transmission hesitation, and electronics that occasionally malfunction. Kia has improved steadily, but the Sorento hybrid still lands in the gray zone between promising and not yet dependable. For buyers who want a reliable hybrid SUV, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid or Honda CR-V Hybrid remain the safer long-term options. 7. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Models. On paper, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid is one of the most compelling minivans on the market. It offers true plug-in capability, impressive electric-only range for school runs, and a spacious cabin perfect for family life. Unfortunately, its reliability has been inconsistent for years. Mechanics repeatedly cite several problems: frequent electrical failures, battery charging system malfunctions, software-related shutdowns, drivetrain jerking, premature suspension component wear. The plug-in hybrid architecture is ambitious, but it's also complex. And when something goes wrong, repairs are expensive and difficult. Some owners report long waits for parts and dealer backlogs for hybrid-specific service. While the Pacifica Hybrid remains one of the most innovative minivans available, families relying on long-term durability often find safer alternatives in the Toyota Sienna or Honda Odyssey. Until Chrysler fully resolves the recurring hybrid issues, the Pacifica Hybrid remains a high-risk purchase. 8. BMW X5 Plug-in Hybrid. The BMW X5 plug-in hybrid is a premium SUV that delivers strong performance, sophisticated comfort, and excellent on-road dynamics. However, the plug-in hybrid system introduces a level of mechanical complexity that often results in reliability concerns and expensive maintenance. Mechanics highlight several persistent issues. The first is battery degradation. Like many luxury PHEVs, the X5's battery is undersized for the weight of the vehicle. Owners frequently report electric range dropping significantly after a few years, often cutting the range in half compared to new models. The second issue is turbocharger strain. When the battery is depleted, which happens quickly on real-world drives, the gasoline engine must move a heavy vehicle without hybrid assistance. This puts long-term pressure on the turbo unit and increases oil consumption. The third concern involves electronics and software integration. Luxury brands rely heavily on digital interfaces, but more technology also means more potential failure points. Infotainment bugs, sensor errors, and hybrid system warning lights are common complaints. While the X5 plug-in hybrid is undeniably refined and enjoyable to drive, its long-term durability is questionable. Buyers seeking reliability should approach it with caution, or consider a non-hybrid version, which tends to fare better over time. What should buyers prioritize instead? If you want to avoid costly mistakes in 2025, focus on vehicles that excel in the following areas. Proven powertrains, engines, and transmissions used across multiple models tend to be more reliable. Strong hybrid track records. Toyota, Honda, and select Hyundai Kia models lead the market in long-term hybrid durability. Simple engineering. Fewer moving parts mean fewer potential failures. Manufacturer reliability history. Brands with stable reliability trends usually carry that consistency into new models. Quality dealer networks. Service support is just as important as the car you buy. The safest vehicles aren't always the flashiest or the newest. They're the ones that continue to perform reliably years after the warranty expires. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you subscribe for more expert automotive breakdowns, long-term reliability rankings, and mechanic-backed buying advice